Okay, we got an 02 Dodge Dakota here. Customer complaint is making a noise. The homie from Malandro Bullies. If you guys need any kind of bully, that's the man to see. RC is the name. So what I'm thinking is an exhaust leak. You can hear it. It sounds pretty bad. It sounds like an internal engine noise. But exhaust leaks can be deceiving. They can sound just like that. So what we're going to do is we're going to check it out. I want to introduce some transmission fluid into the intake. See if it either stops the noise or starts blowing white smoke. In either case, we'll be able to identify where the leak is. Got an intake hose here. Pull out the intake hose. We're going to introduce some transmission fluid in it. See how the noise stops. Noise is gone. That means that's definitely an exhaust leak. Now I'm trying to identify it on this side. What we would look for would be black stains from where the hot exhaust is coming out.